the most precise nose contouring tool I have ever seen. My arms are crazy right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because today I'm finally launching the newest addition to the frame pencil family. Remember the brow frame? She has a sister. Lip frame. This is one of the most exciting moments in my life right now. I had such success with the brow frame pencil, I decided to extend it into the lip category. If you loved our brow frame pencil, we're bringing that whole innovation to your lips and the rest of your face. It's not a regular lip pencil because there's so many of those. This is a tool you can use for your contour, the most precise eye lift or nose contour you can ever imagine. So if you want to see some lip liner hacks using the new brow frame, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further, oh my god, I almost forgot. I'm doing a giveaway in this video for you guys. All you have to do is let me know in the comments what is your favorite shade name. You'll get all 9 shades. Giveaway details are in the description, so make sure to check that. But okay, let's get started. I feel like the obvious thing would be to start off with your lips, but this is a hack video and I want to show you that you can get so much more use out of it. So I'm going to do a nose contour with this pencil. This is honestly what makes me extremely excited. Because of the rectangular tip, you're able to precisely contour any little area of your face. It's just like the brow frame. It gives you that precision and versatility all in one tool. There's 9 shades. I'm just gonna pick my shade. I'm gonna use Soft Brownie. Because of the rectangular tip, it allows you to create shape, create a little V. And you're gonna see how precise this is. The precision is insane, but I'm gonna also bring down the line. It's like a scalpel, like a little surgery tool. So this is gonna shorten the nose and make it look a little bit smaller. I'm also just gonna fill in this area with the wide tip. And then I'm gonna create a button turned up nose with a little horseshoe. Like that. Add some definition here by the brow and connect it into the nose bridge. Just creating these little lines. The most precise nose contouring tool I have ever seen also is in this pencil, which is insane. There's a sharpener on the end, so if it gets dull, you can always just sharpen the tip. First, you need to bring it down. Don't bring it up too high, it will break. Just the nature of the pencil, such an open space here. You can just move it up or down on the sharpener and you'll have that sharp tip again. It's a sharp tip every single time. It'll never go dull. But what I really love is this brush. The brush is so good. If you're on the go, you could just take this in your purse and the brush is all you need. So you can blend this out with a brush or your fingers and blend it down a little bit. Formula is infused with hyaluronic acid and jojoba oil, so it glides really nice on the skin, adds moisture to the skin or the lips, which is always a plus. Also just blend it with your finger and it blends so nicely. It stays in place all day, but also blends into the skin so creamy and perfect. So there goes our little nose contour, and that was using Soft Brownie, but there's other shades you could use depending on your skin tone, and it'll give you this snatched nose. Isn't that crazy? She is not your average lip liner. Now you have a sculpted nose. Too good, too good. Next, we're gonna lift our eye using a deeper shade. I'm gonna use the shade Hot Chocolate, and I'm gonna do an eye lift just by bringing it like this. You can adjust the thickness and also apply more product to that area. Look at that. An eye lift. I love this tool, it's so good. I was inspired by the brow frame because it did so well. I loved how precise you could get your brows. It's literal brow surgery, and now we're doing face surgery, lip surgery, all with the same shape, except this formula is actually for the skin and the lips, so it glides a lot easier than you would want your brow pencil to glide. You can go ahead and use your finger. You see how it blends, but it doesn't blend completely away. It just diffuses in the area that you wanted that shape. An eye lift in a pencil, what? Okay, now we're gonna do our blush and bronzer. So for the blush, I'm gonna use I'm Blushing. And for the bronzer, I'm gonna use Hot Chocolate again. I feel like that's the perfect shade for bronzer. I'm just gonna bronze up this area. You see how it glides on the face because of the flat part? You're able to get a larger part of your face. And then for the blush, I'm gonna take I'm Blushing, and you can do your blush. A little on the nose. And there you go, that's such a pretty color for blush. Then just take your finger and blend it out. Look how easy it is to blend. It's so creamy. It doesn't feel dry. when you're blending it. Also vitamin E, all the hydration and protection on your skin as well as your lips. That's actually so pretty as blush. I love it. I can't wait for you guys to try this and these techniques. It's time to do the lips. I'm gonna use Berry Sweet. It's such a pretty color. This is how I contour my lip with the lip frame. With the narrow edge, I'm gonna just do a little line here. I try not to go too heavy on the corners because that makes my lips just look, it just makes me feel older. So then I'm gonna fill in with the wide side, this, and it's gliding on the lips so soft and easy. I'll overline the bottom and then fill like that. And the corners I like to lift up. And I'm so glad I have this edge right here because you see I kind of have no corner, so I create one. And then just connect everything together. And then with the bottom part of the lip, I don't like to overline. I'll just connect my natural lip shape. Now that my lips are lined, they're contoured, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in. I'm actually gonna use a different shade. So I'm gonna fill in a little bit on the corners with this shade. And then on the center, I'm blushing just to tie the look together. That soft pink color on the wide side, and just fill in the center. I need some help with cleaning up the lips, so I'm gonna take the brush. This brush is a little bit more dense than what you would see on a lip liner, so it gives you more control, because when they're longer, you don't know where the product's going. With it being more dense and short, you can control exactly where and how much you want the product to be blended. So much smoother than what I started off with. And that's how I do my lip contour. I hope you guys love this pencil. It is more than just a lip pencil. This is your whole face in one tool. I have 9 neutral shades that are pretty versatile. I'm gonna swatch all the shades for you guys so you can see the shades, but also how the pencil works. The shades are Berry Sweet, Terracotta Kiss, Dulce de Leche, Cool Girl Pink, Toasty Peach, Hot Chocolate, Espresso Shots, I'm blushing. It has a very thin rectangular tip, so you create a straight line, and soft brownie. You can turn it over on the flat side and fill with this thicker line. I'm so excited for you guys to try this. And if you try it as a contour, oh my God, my dreams will be made. This is the PR card that I'm sending out for the lip frame. Isn't it so cute? I love it. I love it so much. I also love these girls. That's the new lip frame pencil, the newest member of our frame pencil family. They're so cute together. Okay, so this is the brow frame. There's a difference in color and texture. These are matte, these are glossy, nobody cares. But I'm just letting you know that there is a difference there. With my branding, I have like a soft pink and a neutral taupey shade, and that's kind of how I've separated my face and lips versus my eyes. That's a little background of my branding. Anyways, I am doing a giveaway. One of you will win the full set, all 9 shades. All you have to do is comment which one is your favorite shade name, and drop your Instagram handle in the comments too. Just make sure your account is public so I can message you when you win. I'll leave all the giveaway details in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Let me know which hack you're gonna try first. Thank you so much for always supporting Dominique. I love you guys, and before I go, I'm gonna leave you with a quote, which I always do, and I'll leave you with the lip frame quote, which is define your beauty. Define what makes you beautiful inside. Bring that out to the world. Define that in your personality. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.